What's going on? What's going on? What's going on, traders? What's up, team? Hope you all having a good time. It's Rafael back again. Yeah, check my balance, guys. I told you I'm going to push it. Now I'm on 7.3 million. That means for August, I'm finally back in profit, guys. Even if it was a crazy, tough month with a lot of losing trades, I was still able to get back in profits, and this was my goal for today. Last day of the week, I thought like I need to do something, man. I was like 5% down for the month, and today I was able to bank more than 440,000. You can see that on my Hanko Trade live account. So yeah, we back on track. Let me show you August results real quick. I'm back with 90 grand for August. This month was a back and forth, man. It was tough, but yeah, we did it. And for all the subscribers, for everybody who likes and comment this video, I'm going to give away the Genius Trading Masterclass course. So on the next giveaway, I'm going to pick 2 winners from my last video and from this video, all the commenters. So make sure to drop a comment if you want to become a part of the Genius Trading Masterclass course. As you all know, guys, the Genius Trading Masterclass course with all my strategies, all my trade management systems, all my money management systems, everything inside, guys. You can even watch me trade live. I'll show you exactly how to get funded. And yeah, guys, this is everything you need to make a shitload of money in the markets, guys. So make sure to check it out. You can win this if you drop a comment. Lifetime membership inside the inner circle of our group chats as well. If you see this, guys, we have group chats with traders from all around the world. More than 320 traders from our team are online right now, and yeah, they sharing their results in here and stuff. I mean, Konex is one of our traders, and he trades a $400,000 FTMO account, a funded account, and he just made more than 34,000 this month, more than 30k this month with his funding account, and he didn't had like $400,000 capital to trade with. Like, he learned the skill set from the masterclass course, put it into practice, showed the prop firm that he got the skill, then he got funded, and now he's making 5 figures and maybe even 6 figures next month. Who knows? If he's able to make more than like 30% profits, he will get out with around more than 100 grand. That would be amazing, guys. But let's talk about this trading day today. It was a little bit squishy. On my first trade, took a big position, as I was confident that we are going to head into this imbalance that we started at the beginning of the week. I mean, on Monday we had an imbalance, a gap. This is a gap in here. You cannot see this perfectly in here, but it was a gap. Okay, here's a gap, and I thought like maybe we are going to push clearly above and fill that gap, as we had a lot of bullish pressure this last days. I was confident in buying Nasdaq, so I took my first position after 9:30, after algorithm started to work, but I was not patient enough to wait for the market to grab liquidity. I was too early again. I had a little bit of fear of missing out, took a bigger loss in here. But when the market was coming down like that, I was like, okay. Market slashed through big figure number 13,000 and even grabbed the stops below this low in here. But then on the 1 minute chart, as you can see, we had a nice break of structure where I stepped into the market and load this shit up like crazy. I was really loading it up like crazy. I wanted to take profits above this last significant high on the smaller time frame. Like this was my first target, and man, this thing was moving so fast. I was I was pushing the button like crazy within this area and tried to get out, which was a good idea. As you can see, market coming down again. And I had a huge position down here, man. It was loaded up like crazy. I think I don't know, I took more than 10 positions within here, as the stop was pretty tight. So I decided to ball big time because I wanted to really finish the month with a profit, guys. And yeah, I did it. So now I'm up like 90 grand for this month. I'm not going to take a trade today. I'm going to enjoy my weekend, guys. And I hope you guys enjoy the weekend as well. If you need my personal advice, make sure to drop me a message in Telegram. You will find the link down below in the description. Drop me a message if you need my help. I'm there to help you guys get on top of the Forex game, make some money, change your life. And yeah, let's get it, guys. And of course, join the free Telegram channel to stay updated about my trading journey and about the Genius Trading community's trading journey. I'm going to share results and everything in there. So, stay tuned, guys. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Have a good day, guys. Enjoy your weekend. Peace! What you know, every time I, why you body in love.